Welcome to the channel once again. Today we are replacing is a Mercedes in the CL550 is from 2007 to 2014. Has a side marker lamp. So first thing is you remove the tire. Next you remove this cover. You don't really need to remove the whole of it, just to give you access to this section right here. Once you remove those things right there from the way, we have this knob which is below the headlight, so you just twist it anti-clockwise. It's a little bit tricky, but just take your time. Just take your time, then apply some little energy. Once this gets out of the way, you just look in up there, you'll see this kind of a connector, and then literally this place is really tricky, so you will literally just take your time, and then you just turn it, you just anti-clockwise, and then it should be able to come out of that spot right there. The spot is really tight, so if you can't get your hands in there, you just look for maybe a flat pliers, or just anything that gets in right there to give you some leverage to get it out. So once you turn it, you can just pull it like that, and then this comes out. So once this comes out, then you can just easily take it out. Just pull it from in there. And then once that is done, you can get another bulb, and then you replace with this one. And once that is done, you can put it back, and then you have to test it to see if it's working. So I've started the car. So this is how it looks like. This is the side marker lamp for the CL. So mine is working, so I really like it.